ज्येष्ठ पत्रकार सुरेश वाळवेन संगीत सौभद्र ह्या फाटली 130 वर्सां गाजपी नाटकाचे पुनर्लेखन आनी संक्षिप्त करून बरें काम केलां अशी तोखणाय कला अकादमीचो अध्यक्ष आमदार विष्णू सुर्यावागान केल्या। वाळवेन बरयिल्ल्या सौभद्र नाटकाचे प्रकाशन केले उपरांत उलयतना विष्णू वागानी तुस्त केली। संगीत सौभद्र नाटक पयलीं 4.5 वरांचें आशिल्लें, तें वाळवेन 2 वरांचेर हाडलां।
सौभद्रचा एक अभ्यासक म्हणून जेव्हा मी अभ्यास करतो तेव्हा मला असं वाटतं की सौभद्र हे नाटक केवळ शाब्दिक अर्थानं पौराणिक आहे। ते मुळामध्ये पौराणिक नाटक नाहीच आहे, ते सामाजिक घरगुती कौटुंबिक नाटक आहे। यामधला कृष्ण असो, त्यातली सुभद्रा असो, त्यातला अर्जुन असो, बलराम असो, यातला कोणीही म्हणजे पौराणिक नाटकामध्ये जसा एक आपला आब आणि अदब ठेवून सगळी पात्र असतात, तशातला कोणीही नाही। त्या पौराणिकपणाची वस्त्रे उतरवून सगळे कौटुंबिक आणि घरगुती वातावरणात तिथे एकत्र आलेले
नाटक लिहायला हरकत नाही। हा विषय घ्यायचा आणि वेगळं द्यायचं, कारण ह्या नाटकातले काहीच आपण विसरू शकत नाही, काहीच विसरू शकत नाही। तुम्ही त्यातली गाणी विसरू शकत नाही, तुम्ही त्यातलं काही विसरू शकत नाही। या काळाला तुम्ही एकच करू शकता, मध्यंतरी गाणी खूप म्हणायला लागले, लोक सारखे गायला लागले बरं का। ते न गाता ही जर गाणी ऑटोप्शन म्हटली गेली तर ती नाटकही लहान होईल आणि लोकांना आवडेल, परंतु यांचा प्रयत्न मात्र खूप छान आहे।
GCAच्या वादाक आतां वेगळेंच मोडण लागलां। 27 मेची वेंचणूक रद्द केल्या अशें नवे कमिटीन ह्या आदींच जाहीर केल्लें। मात 27 मेक वेंचणूक जातलीच म्हूण दिलीप धाबोळकाराच्या मुखेलपणा खालचे वेंचणूक कमिटीन पेपरांनी जायरात दिली। वेंचणूक रद्द जाले म्हूण GCAन आपल्याक कांयच कळोवंक ना अशें धाबोळकार म्हणटा। फटीची नोटीस दिली म्हूण आमी पुलिशेंत कागाळ केलें अशें GCAचो सचिव प्रसाद फातर्पेकार सांगता।
गोवा क्रिकेट असोसिएशनाच्या वेंचणूक समितीन बुधवाराक गोंयांतल्या कांय दिसाळ्यांनी ही नोटीस दिल्या। ह्या नोटीसी प्रमाण गोंय क्रिकेट असोसिएशनाची 27 मेक वेंचणूक जातली। 27 मेची वेंचणूक जावची ना अशें नव्या कमिटीन ह्या आदींच जाहीर केलां।
He was elected as a chairman and he was supposed to hold the election process until the 14th. Regarding his notice which he has published in today's papers that he has shifted his office and all, he is not authorized to do that. He was supposed to come to GCA. He has not returned to us. I am surprised he is saying there is no access to the office. Our office has been open since Monday morning. If he had not found any access, he should have written to the secretary or emailed us. Anyway, that is not the subject here. The election has been stopped. The committee has been disbanded and he is acting illegally. Just now, with consultation with my colleagues and the president, I filed a police complaint asking the police to restrain Advocate Dilip Dabholkar from these illegal acts. There are no election. This process is a farce. There can't be election.
What are the clubs come out on that day to vote? What are the clubs come out that day?
No, the process has stopped.
Okay.
Yesterday was the day in the original schedule to file the nomination. It has not happened. It has not happened because elections have been cancelled by GCA. Clubs are well versed with the bylaws of the association. Clubs don't participate in this process. I'm sure about it.
You have the faith in the clubs?
Definitely.
Behind me are the premises from where the GCA's election committee is functioning from. We met the ex-president Dayanand Narvekar a little while back at these premises. He said this has got nothing to do with the GCA, but it has been leased or it has been taken on rent by the election committee for the functioning of the elections which are going ahead. We try to speak to the chairman, Mr. Dilip Dabholkar of the election committee cordially and politely. When he asked us to leave the premises, he asked us to get up from within the premises that we were sitting across the table, and myself and video journalist Prajot Pednekar were asked to leave the premises, and no such information was furnished what we were asking. However, he did just tell us that they haven't received any letter of cancellation or a letter saying that they are defunct as the election committee, and hence they are functioning and the elections are on as of 27th May. With video journalist Prajot Pednekar, this is sports reporter Nikhil Pereira for Prudent Media from Porvorim.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमचे www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटले। इतल्यान खबरांचेर हांगाच सोंपता। पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया। नमस्कार।